walk.
You were gonna do that kanina. It was ambon.
Okay, let's walk.
It's ambon.
It's not. Rain, that's just your roof.
Let's go.
Stop holding hands. Because, like, that's really...
Oh my god.
That's really big.
Juan Pablo. Ay, meron ako nakakatawa talaga. Hindi na babalibol, ano. Sabi ni Kuya D, guys!
Feel happy. Ikaw?
Me? I don't know. It's Saturday.
I'm nalilito.
Because?
I don't know if I should, like, think of the nominations.
Ah! Yucks! Itula on me.
My favorite thing is...
How about just overall?
What do you mean by overall?
You're fine?
Yeah.
You're walking too fast. And then.
My head hurts so.
Your head hurt?
Yeah.
While you're walking.
Because distraction.
You're gonna get wet again. Oh, ouch!
Let's walk through.
It's okay.
See, you're still talking.
I don't know what they're talking about.
You're still talking about Kuya Guan.
Oh my god. It's because of JP.
Yeah, it was fun.
You also laugh about Kuya Gwen with him.
No, but I actually tell Kuya Gwen what I'm laughing about. But he always does it with...
I know. He's the bully talaga.
I know what kind of person JP is.
I know.
I like it when he's nice though. Right? Don't you like it when he's nice?
Oh my god.
Also me for real. I couldn't concentrate. Kasi...
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's it.
Yeah.
Do you miss him?
Who is him? Oh my god. How do you know my boyfriend when I don't know him? Yeah, I meant to say it.
Even mine.
Really? Oh yeah.
I love it.
Let's go. I don't want to say that.
I can't believe they're still talking about it. That was like so many weeks ago.
Oh my god. My God, that's so how many weeks ago?
I know. We're not over with it talaga.
God.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling? No, for real.
Me?
I can't.
Stop.
You know what?
What?
I can't tell you.
Oh my God, why do you do that? Say it.
I miss him.
No, what are you gonna say?
I'm boning.
Oh, I thought you were boning. What? Say it ba? Say ba?
Boning. It's I'm boning.
Say ba?
Say what?
He said, you know what?
It's I'm boning.
Say ba?
Bro, you want me to be...
What is it about?
It's about what I told him.
Say it. Just go. Just say it.
It's not even that. It's just his questions.
What was it?
I did not expect to be talking about it there.
About what?
Let's go inside.
Will you tell me?
No.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Just give a clue. Oh.
What is it?
Roger?
No. What?
Corny? Are you corny? What? I hate you, actually. I hate you. Just say it. Say it. Why do you do that all the time?
You know what?
I'll do it to you, so you'll know how I feel. Let's go.
Can you care? Do you want to go inside?
Okay.
Can you help me up?
No way.
What's taking at the just so long? Itching my butt. Let's eat ice cream. Tea.
Let's go.
Last one outside.
You still have your mug.
Last one inside. Get 3, 2, 1.
What? Wait.
Wait.